So guys, with plotagon, you can actually create any character of choice, any character. You can dress them up in any way you want, any costume. So just follow the steps that I'll show you in this video. So first of all, you click on create character, then you come here, you choose whether you want a male or a female or just somewhere in between. You can choose that. Then you choose their face type. What kind of face do you want? A baby? Do you want an adult, an old person? Whatever thing you want is here. You just choose. Then you choose the hair type. You can choose to scrape the entire hair out, or you choose depending on your character of choice, whether male or female. So you can choose to give the person beards or not, after which you move on to the eyes, the kind of eyes, the eyeballs, the lashes, the lips, whatever thing you want, everything is here. You choose, you give to the person, then you go ahead to choose what you want. Like this, for the purpose of this video, I want to dress this man as a superhero. Yeah, I started off as a man, but I think I ended as a woman. So I want to give this lady a superhero look. So I'm trying to look for costumes that would be suitable for that purpose. So I'm trying to give her a superhero look. So when you look down, you see all types of superhero clothing here. So I'm going to just choose one of it, this which is my favorite. Then I'll try to wear her a good pant as a superhero that she is. Okay, after which I go to the shoes. So anything, you can just play around with this, find the costume that best suits your character of choice. You can choose different types of outfits. You can see that of Santa Claus, you can see for the people in the ancient kingdom. So you just play around this and make the best out of it. So I'm going to wear her those pants and change the color down there represent the color you want each cloth to be. So I'll change it. Then I want to return her hair to something better, since I have decided she's a lady. So I want to make her more feminine by choosing a more suitable hair for her. I think this is good. No, let's look for something else. She's looking too serious, like a ninja. So we just keep trying until we find something good. No, this makes her look like a man. I want something that makes her really look like a woman that she is. So I think, yeah, here we go. I think this makes sense. It makes sense. So her pants are fine. Then we'll go for her shoes. Then we'll change into something better. Like, let's go for the other shoe. Yeah, I think this is better. I'll change. Yeah, so she's good to go. So we'll go to her name. This thing that looks
How do I sound?
Comment section is
How do I
your
sound?
name page. You click on
How do I
it.
sound? How do I sound?
Oh no,
How do I
this
sound?
is not for name.
How do I
This
sound?
is
How do I sound?
for
How do I sound?
for
How do I sound?
language. So
How do I
I
sound?
picked a language, a English language, and I gave her a very good tone. After which I named her Sarah, and yeah, Sarah is good to go. Sarah is good to go, and that is